Okay, I want to make the windows for my project. You can find window in warehouse. You can look at the warehouse and maybe you can find something that you like, but not always you can find the windows that really goes with your project. So I show you guys something really simple how you can make it, and you can follow the same steps. So we have different type of windows, and to make the window I would look at my AutoCAD drawing, or you can look at the image of the existing windows. So you have to find out how it looks like, and you need some dimensions. So we don't need to build exactly the same window because nobody using the SketchUp to build those windows. They are existing, and we just want to represent of the existing condition, or to show the client as much as possible, and something that really is similar to the existing condition. So I would just build something like that. It's a aluminum frame and there is a sliding window inside. See, I double check and all the frame are 2 inch. See, 2 inch, 2 inch. So it's pretty simple. I just go here and I use my opening as a base. Make sure that you have your wall in one group. See, when I click, everything is selected. Then I start a rectangle from here to here. F to offset it 2 inch. Then I delete the inside because I want to add another frame. This is just one face. I have to make it as a frame. Again, if you check the drawing, or in your case if you're starting something, you have to check the existing condition. See, this frame is full, that's the thickness of match the thickness of the wall, but it might be different, and again it's not that important because we are just looking at the elevation or perspective. We don't need it that detailed, but I would just follow what I have here. So if I go here, I use push-pull tool and I push it all the way to the other side. See, now I have my first frame. Right click, make a group. So I always suggest to start adding material right away. It's make it much easier, but you can do it later too. For example, I apply this one. Now I would look at my CAD drawing one more time to explain something. As you can see here, we see the first frame, then we see another mullion inside, then the second, the third one. See, they are kind of aligned. You just see one of them, and if you look at this, the center of this frame is the center of the window, and it goes on both sides 1 inch and 1 inch. So I need to find the center, then I copy 1 inch on each side. Again, this is just this specific window. Maybe you have it different, but for now I would just follow the same step. Use the guideline, add it to the center of this wall, then I go to the red direction 1 inch on this side, 1 inch on the other side. Now if you look at the elevation, see, this is the line that I add here. See the guideline. Now as you can see, the window frame starts from here to here. So I start a rectangle from here to here. Then I use offset 2 inch, delete the part that I want to add the glass, and I check the thickness of the frame distance. See, the thickness of the frame here is 4 inch, and I have 1 inch you know, I have to move it 1 inch to start this, and then I have 4 inch. I already start my frame, so I finish it, then I move it. So push pull, I go add the thickness of 4 inch. When I have one piece, immediately triple click, make a group. Then I add the rectangle for glass. See, I start from the center, then I can lock it to the green direction, and I show any point here. So now I have center to center rectangle. Triple click, make a group. I don't add thickness to glass, it's up to you, can add it. I just leave it like that, it's easier for me. So I have one group, two group. I can go ahead and apply the material here, and I add the glass to this one. Now I would select the first part, press Ctrl, select the glass, right click, make a component, name it anything that you want, frame 1 or window 1. Then remember, I have to leave 1 inch gap here. So I move it, go to the green direction, 1 inch. Now I don't need the axis anymore. Edit, delete guide, move. I grab this corner, press Ctrl, and oops, I place it here. So see, now the problem is these two should be kind of aligned, cover each other, and I have to see this part of the frame. It means that I have to move this one 2 inch. So a newer version of SketchUp, when you copy something, next time that you use move, still it's a copy. So I press Ctrl to switch to the move again, and I'm moving this 2 inch because I know my frame is 2 inch. So now here it is. I have my 2 window frame, and I have this one. So I would like to make a component of the everything together. So press Ctrl, select these two, right click, make a component. So window create. So when I have my component, I just use move, grab this corner, press Ctrl, place it in this corner, select this corner, and still I'm in the copy mode. So see, because it's the same thickness, I can just go ahead and add all of them. So the last one is, this one is pretty simple. It kind of looks like a fixed window with just one frame and the glass inside. See, it's something like that. So what I would do, let me look at the plan. The only thing is this frame is in the middle and it is 4 inch. So what can I do? I can start from the center, or I can start, maybe I do it from here, offset 2 inch, delete this part, push pull to 4 inch, triple click, make a group. I want to apply the same material, so I grab the eyedropper, select this material, apply it there, then use rectangle from here to here, triple click, right click, okay, triple click, right click, make a group, apply the glass, select that one, press Ctrl, select this one, right click, make a group. And how far should I move it? I can read it from AutoCAD, or you can change the style to X-ray. Then I can move, see, midpoint to midpoint. Okay, when you see X-ray, you can easily grab any point. Even if you can't see it in a regular style, you can see it in X-ray. So now I have my windows.